Hello everyone. My name is Alex and I'm a co-founder of the OptriSpace. First of all, I appreciate your interest in OptriSpace and welcome to our community. Let's check the sound of the stream. Please type something in the chat on YouTube just for check the quality sound and the connection settings for myself. Please type something that I will check that all works great. You can type plus or minus or something like this. If all is good, then I will start our first session about OptriSpace, about our platform and how it works and something related. Okay, I think all works great. In this lecture, we will talk about our platform, as I said, what's the problem it solves, how it works, web interface overview, and if you're ready, let's dive in. Currently, there are at least 170 freelance platforms worldwide. That's a whole lot of options to choose from, but guess what? The vast majority of these platforms are still centralized. The implication of using a centralized system is that you still have to deal with the issue of intermediary or middleman interference. Basically, you still have to do some paperwork, experience a lot of delay during verification processes, and even pay more to be hired. Okay, here is the good news. OptriSpace is a decentralized freelance platform where all processes are completely automated. No paperwork, every agreement is signed on built-in smart contracts on blockchain, no prolonged verification delay because all terms and conditions are backed by smart contracts. No commission, just a little gas fee because of nature of blockchain technology. And because you are paid instantly in crypto, well, there is more to that. Particularly, if a prospective client approves your proposal, a smart contract is initiated between you and the other party. As a result, money from the client will be held as a smart contract on blockchain address until a consensus mechanism certifies that both parties have met their obligations. If you complete the assignment within the required time and with a quality the client accepts as satisfying, the contract is closed and you get payment instantly in crypto. In addition, you will pay extremely low commission as compared to centralized platforms. What we didn't disclose is that you will pay no commission in the real sense. Rather, you will be charged a little gas fee, which is normally less than 2% of the transactions. If you ask, that's way better than letting go up to 20% of your profit in commission. Furthermore, OptriSpace, unlike most centralized freelance platforms, do not promote client-first attitude as all stakeholders are equally treated. As a freelancer on OptriSpace, your interests are prioritized just as that of the client. In other words, no preferential treatment. Lastly, when you are hired on OptriSpace, you get rewarded just for that. You don't get to be paid by recruiters alone, but you equally get paid by the system. How, you may ask? For each closed contract on the platform, both participants, customer and freelancer as well, receive DAO tokens. Well, there is so much you can do with the token. The best part is that holders get to benefit from the company's profit sharing at the end of each fiscal year. It is of nature of DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. Other hidden benefits of using OptriSpace include no fixed contract duration, no fixed hourly rate, single and team contracts, and subcontracting, among others. Do any of these benefits interested for you? Let's summarize a first part. What is OptriSpace? It's a brand new freelance platform built on top of blockchain for customers and professionals, experts. All payments processed in crypto. Um, I'm a bit nervous. It's my first stream. Uh, okay, let's go. How OptriSpace is different comparing of existing platforms. As I said, we don't have a third party or middleman at all. We use smart contracts to check contracts statuses, and all project states are fully open for participants. All our code base open sourced on GitHub, and you can check if you want one. Just type in your browser github.com/optriment. Let's dive in. GitHub/optriment. There is our code base of our projects. It's a backend, front end, smart contracts. You can check this out if you are interested in. And if you want to help us improve our product, just dig in our code base, find interesting tasks on our platform, and be paid in crypto when your work will be complete. Okay. Let's dive into the web interface. I think it's not important to overview our website OptriSpace.com because it's a landing page, but other part it's really interesting is our platform. Just a minute, I want to check the settings. Okay, YouTube sent me the excellent connection. Feel free to ask any question in the chat. I will answer it at the end of our stream. Okay, right now we are on the alpha stage of the platform, and we decided to use a test Binance network just to rid off extra payments from real money. You just need right now you just need to have test tokens on Binance SmartNet testnet smart chain, sorry. And why did we choose this solution? Because right now we don't want to spend extra money, our real money, your money, for paying transactions or gas fee in production based blockchain. And it is only one reason. We just check how our platform works, and if it will work great for the other parties, for customers, for freelancers, then we will publish it on the public blockchain. But now we just used a test platform, but all the jobs which are published on our service will be paid in crypto, and we as a team OptriSpace guarantee that your work will be paid. And it's, I think, I don't need to explain how it works, but there are a lot of a bunch of tasks which we posted to make our platform be better. And if you apply it on our tasks, and we can do this work together, you can send us your solution for these tasks, and we will pay you in real Binance tokens, for example. But transactions on the platform, what we use right now is test network blockchain, and we just use virtual tokens, not real money, but virtual tokens, which provides by testnet. And it is not the similar like I don't know, production-based tokens. But I don't know, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm I'm a bit nervous. Okay, let's dive in. Right now we use test02.optrispace.com. It's our alpha version of the platform, and you can check this out. You can register, or if you have existing account, you can log in. But if you just want to check our platform, you can click on jobs, and there are a lot of tasks. There is a real task from our team, and if you can find great task for you, which, for example, translate all your elements from English to Brazilian, Portuguese, or Spanish, or maybe you want to implement a front-end features like make links clickable, or maybe you want to improve our backend code base with a Golang. You can post your application after the registration on the platform, and we will contact with you, and you will be paid in crypto Nothing to say more. I think it's a really great explanation. Okay, let's dive in. For example, we can check our first, for example, not first, latest because of ordering. Latest job task. It's a landing page task. I create three new versions of our landing pages for the product, and it's my account. Because of the alpha version, we don't have the features to rename to change the display name. We generate it automatically, just not to have empty fields, and it is another example of the task for our platform. If you check this out, we have existing tasks like implement change of display name and person profile, and someone who want to earn money on the platform can implement this feature. And this description, I think it's really great to people who knows how to work with front end and back end. You can finish this task and get paid with crypto, with Binance tokens. And it is a reason why we have a bunch of not bugs but not implemented features on the platform, because we want to help the people start working with crypto and nothing else. You can check our platform. You can find maybe a bit not working, I don't know, not working buttons or something like this, and it's as, I don't know how to say it correctly. Um, all the problems what we have right now on the platform, on the backend, on the interface, or maybe on smart contracts, will be paid in crypto when you finish these tasks, and every single problem you have find on our platform, you can contact with us, like with report issue, and after that we can post the bug report like a landing page task. And if you are able to finish this task, to fix this bug, or to implement a new feature, you can post your application, and we will talk a bit, and it is a great explanation how can we use our platform. Okay, right now, what about interface? We have jobs. It's available for guests account. If you sign it up, sign in. Okay, I try to use my test account. And after you sign in, you can view another settings, another pages, application, contracts, button connect wallet, and account settings. Okay, let's dive in in these pages. After the sign in, you have to check the dashboard by clicking the logo tab, and it is getting started manual tutorial how to work great on our platform, what you have to be installed on your notebook or your PC or macOS. It is a short explanations how we work in alpha version, the requirements, how to install MetaMask wallet. Because of blockchain, you need to use crypto wallet like MetaMask to access the blockchain applications. And another example, how to add Binance Smart Chain testnet to your MetaMask wallet, and how to get test Binance tokens from Binance Faucet. It is a list that you have to do because if you don't have test tokens, you can't post your application on the job. You can sign in the contract. You have to have I don't know how much, but about 0.5 Binance token. It's enough for you to test our platform. And after the registration, you have to check the dashboard and complete these tasks for yourself. Okay, after this, I'm not sure that I want to share your process about creating the task, but maybe we have time yet. I spent about 16 minutes. Okay, let's dive in. just click the add new job. For example, on our platform, you can, if you have a team who can help you, I don't know, finish the task. Okay, you can be a freelancer dash a manager on the platform. You can mm, get some job from the customer and then create another job on the platform and earn your money by being a manager between your freelancers, your team. For example, if you have a friend who can help you solve some kind of tasks or do some jobs besides the contract, you can create another job on our platform, and your friend will be paid in crypto as well from yourself. And let's dive in and try to create a new job. I think it would be good to you to apply on this job because it's a real example how to use our platform. Okay, for example, I can name it example job for the workshop. Description: what you have to do when applying for this job. The first one, join our Discord server, for example. Just copy the link, join our Discord server. After that, subscribe on our YouTube channel. This is a description of the task for me as a customer. Okay, join our Discord, subscribe to subscribe on YouTube channel, and nothing else. It's really great to start. And approximate budget what I have to pay, it's about 0.2, okay, 0.1 BNB tokens. It's up to you as a customer. You can post your price, your budget, or maybe you can just post 0, and it will look like open budget without any I don't know, I forget the word. Okay, for example, when I click the publish, there is no price in the interface, but if I check, if I replace it with 0.1, it is a label with the price. It's a maximum budget what I have as a customer to pay for this kind of task. Okay, let's do another example. I open the other browser. It's Opera, and I want to sign up as a new account. I want to use a test, for example, 2022 0824. And after this, I use my password and click sign up. Okay, never save the password. It is my created job as a customer, but right now I'm logged in as a freelancer, and I can apply a post application on this job. For example, when I open the job card as a freelancer, I don't have the ability to edit this job because I not own this. What I have to do as a freelancer is just check the application, check the description. It's what I have been paid for. It's just for joining Discord server and just for subscription on YouTube channel. And after this, if it fits to me, it's really good for me because I'm able to do this kind of tasks, and I just write my message. Take care about some notice. In the alpha version, in the alpha stage of the OptriSpace, we don't have the ability to you and to customer to communicate between each other because we are not implemented yet instant messaging platform. We don't spend time on this, and we do not decide what the kind of platform we will use in the future because creating instant messaging, it's a bit tricky, and I think we don't need to do this. Maybe we can use private Discord channels or Slack channels or Telegram channels, I don't know. We will think about it in the future. But right now, if you apply it on our task on the platform, on the OptriSpace tasks, you have to write your contacts just to be in touch with our team. Otherwise, we can't connect with you. And I will tell you about a great, I don't know, it's not a great application form feeling, but okay, first of all, you have to write about your experience. I'm able to do your job. Okay, to do your task. My contacts. My contacts. Okay, let's connect with Gmail, Alexander at kadyrov.dev, and Telegram, my Telegram account, and these contacts will available just to the customer. No one else can view this application. It's available only for customer. And my price, I think it would be good for me to be 0.09. Why not 0.09? After this, I can publish button, and your reply has been published. That's what I have to show, but when we jump into the customer interface and refresh the page, it's the customer interface in my Chrome browser. I had the application. Okay, it's a Haley McKinsey. It is a cost of the services, price of the services. It's 0.09 BNB tokens, and the comment which available just for me as a customer. You can check this out if you can try. If you try to open it with another account. Okay, how can I do it? I can open new private window, and there is no way to check the contacts from the other people, and it's hidden for third parties, and only the customer can view the full content of the application form. Okay. For me as a customer, it's really great to hire this person, Haley McKinsey, and paid for this task. Okay, let's click the hire button as a customer, and on the next step, we have to connect our crypto wallet, like a MetaMask, just to provide our blockchain address, our blockchain wallet address. It's not easy to explain how it works internally, but I think in the next lecture, which will start tomorrow at the same time, it's 3 p.m. UTC time zone. I will describe you how it works internally. But right now, what we have to do is a click connect wallet link and type the password. Okay. Just wait a minute. I want to copy it because it's okay. I click the unlock, and right now the interface changes to the add new contract form. In this step, we get your wallet address to create the smart contract on the blockchain. Why do we use it? Why do we need? Because this information will be available to the freelancer as well, and every participant of the contract, of the smart contract, can check the state. It's like a whitelist, I don't know, access list to the smart contract on blockchain. And if you try to get the information from this smart contract from the blockchain, from another wallet address, you will be rejected because you are not in the access list. And we store the blockchain wallet address from the customer and from the contractor as well. And we will save it on the blockchain. Okay, let's create. No, sorry. Let's create a new contract. and it is the price from the freelancer. It copies it copied automatically, like task description, task title, and the price copied from the application form. Click on the buttons and submit for review. And that's it. In this stage, we have created on our backend application, we have created our contract, not a smart contract. This kind of mm, uh, I don't know. Uh, this contract which stores, which saved on our or managed by our backend, written in Golang backend language, and we used Postgres database because okay. I will explain it tomorrow. Right now, I'm not ready because it's it's not easy, and maybe and maybe hard to explain in the initial, I don't know, the first session of our tutorial. But just wait one day, and I will explain how it works internally. But right now we have a backend which stores the contracts, and after the customer and the contractor accept the rules of the contract, the tasks description and something else, then the smart contract will be deployed, will be published or shipped on the blockchain network. But if you are not accepted as a customer or freelancer contractor, we do not deploy this contract like on the blockchain network. It's hard to explain. I don't know. Okay, it is the interface for the customer. What we have to wait for? We have to contractor to accept our application. And right now, let's click refresh button, and it is our interface for the freelancer. We know that we have the contract from the customer, and let's dig into contracts tab. And after this, we can find our contract draft. It's a customer name, it's me as a contractor, it's the price of my services, the state of contract. Click on the title, and that's what we have. We as a contractor have to connect wallet as well, just to provide our blockchain address, our wallet address to the customer. Click connect wallet, and right now I have to copy paste my password and use it. That's it. I click unlock, and okay, refresh the page. Okay, nice, it's my balance. And what is draft? I have to accept the contract with these tasks. It's what I have to do is join our Discord server and subscribe on YouTube channel, and after the contract will be accepted by the customer, I will be paid by 009 BNB tokens on my wallet. Let's accept the contract, and at this stage we don't use the MetaMask, and we don't pay for transactions. But for the customer, it is a first stage where we have to pay the gas fee to deploy our smart contract on the blockchain. It is a customer interface. Its contract has been accepted by the contractor, and right now, for me as a customer, the next step is to deploy our contract as a smart contract on the blockchain and fund the money. I have to deposit my money, my Binance tokens on the smart contract address on the blockchain. Okay, let's take a look. Click on deploy to blockchain, and after this, let me check our video. Okay, it's great. I think you saw pop up from the MetaMask. Okay. Right now I have to confirm the transaction. It's a transaction which I signed it as a MetaMask user to deploy the smart contract on the blockchain. It's about 0.011 test Binance token for the gas fee, and I click on the confirm, and this amount of tokens will be charged from my balance, and it is the first step. It's just the cost of the gas which used which paid, I don't know how to say it correctly, sorry for my English. um, okay. um, I can describe right now how the gas fee calculated. It depends on the blockchain, depends on the latency and something like this. You can Google it. Right now I can't explain it to you, but you have to pay the gas fee just to have your transaction be accepted by verifiers, by the miners, and you have to pay gas fee, which will be paid for the miners who calculates and accept your transaction. And it is a bit tricky to explain because of blockchain nature. If you are new in blockchain, you can Google it, how the gas works, how gas fees calculates, and something like this. Okay, right now we have deployed contract on the blockchain, and we have customer wallet address, we have contractor wallet address, and this information, this piece of information are deployed on the blockchain. You can click open contract as a customer, and it will open in the new tab your your our smart contract by the address. And right now we check this balance is 0, and it's a contract creator and transaction hash. What we have to do, the next step is the fund smart contract. It is the only way on our platform to be secured, because we don't have a middleman, we don't have third parties, we don't hold your money in our service. You as a customer have to fund money for or deposit money on the smart contract, which handles or managed by blockchain, and no one can get this money except the freelancer, the contractor, which you have to choose to work with. Okay, the next step is the fund smart contract. Click the button, and on my window, other pop-up window from MetaMask is appeared, and I have to confirm. It's I have to pay 0.09, but with gas fee it's about 0.090533 and extra numbers because of gas fee. Okay, I click on confirm button, and right now money from my balance will be charged or transferred to the smart contract, and we can check this out. Okay, right now we have to refresh our contract address, and here we go. We have we have funded contract on the blockchain. It's a 0.09 Binance token. It is a transaction from to the transaction type and something else, and you are as a freelancer can check the contract has real money on your now for you, and if you will do your job and your job will be accepted and approved by the customer, you can withdraw this money from this smart contract address with just one click on the interface. Okay, what I have to do now as a customer is a set as funded, and it's a mark for our backend server to change the states of the smart contract, and this is an interface for the freelancer. I try to refresh the page, and I can check the contract has been paid. I click on the open contract button, and you can check this state plate. It's the first day was creation contract accepted by me, funded by customer, and right now, when the contract is funded, it's time to me as a freelancer to do my job and click request review when my job has done, and I'm ready to send the result of my job to the customer and get paid. Uh, okay, let's imagine that I already joined on Discord server and I subscribe on the YouTube channel, and right now I can check the transaction on the blockchain. Uh, I want to know where is the money on the blockchain address, and I click the open contract button, and I figure out that the smart contract between me and the customer has deposited with 0.09 BNB tokens, and when I send my contract to the customer, I can refund this money. Not refund, I can withdraw this money to my wallet. Okay, let's click request review, and this contract change the status to review, and I refresh the page as a customer, and right now we have you have as a customer check the work which has been sent to you by the contractor, and if it's really good, you can accept, confirm, and complete the contract. And it is only one way right now. We don't have reject button. We don't have another flow. Right now we have only good flow to our smart contract because of the alpha stage, and I think in the future we realize other features like rejection, contract rejection, contract archivation, or maybe refund money if the freelancer will not reply to your, I don't know, in other bad situations, to be guaranteed that you as a customer can refund your money, or when you as a freelancer send your piece of work to customer and customer has not had not reply you for a long time, you can get your money. It's up to discuss. We have to talk a bit with the community, and we can talk a bit about this workflow. But for now, in alpha stage, we have only a good flow when all the parties like OptriSpace team and you as a freelancer. Um, I forget the words. Sorry, I can't explain. Okay, we have only right now we have only good flow, and me as a customer, it's I check that you are sorry. And I checked as a customer that you are join our Discord server and subscribe on our YouTube channel. I can confirm your smart contract. I click the button, and after this I confirm the transaction. On the blockchain, I pay extra gas fee, and on this stage, for me as a customer, I have finished contract flow. It's good for me because me as a customer have the job done. I have the source codes, or I have the links for design or for copywriting. I don't know. But for freelancer, it's a good mark if you have your application approved by the customer, your smart contract approved, you can request your money from the smart contract. And let's check this out. We have 0.6 BNB tokens on our wallet. Right now I click on request money, and the MetaMask wallet extension will appear on the screen, and I have to click confirm to pay extra gas fee for the transaction. I click confirm and just wait a bit. 0.6 and I will have 0.7. 0.7, for example, or maybe um, refresh the page. Yeah, that's great. It works. It works good. We have the contract flow on the OptriSpace platform, and we have been paid by the customer, and it works great. If you have any question, feel free to ask in this chat or subscribe on our Discord channel, Discord server, and we can talk about. We can have a conversation about the platform. But if you want to apply on our tasks, you can check this URL test02.optrispace.com or in the YouTube description down below. You can click on the link and apply for the job you are interested in, and we will discuss with you about your experience, how can you do our tasks, and after this we will send you a contract and we will check in real world how it works. I'm a bit tired about this this stream. I think tomorrow I will feel better. But by the way, thank you all for being with us. Thank you for your interest in OptriSpace platform. I think it is interesting for you to be with us, to stay with us, to stay in our community. Try to check out our platform. Try to apply on the jobs which we have posted on the platform. And if you're able to do some kind of tasks, feel free to post the applications, and you will be get paid in crypto. Okay, I don't have anything to say more today. Keep in touch, and we will start next stream on Thursday at 3 p.m. UTC on the same link. And have a good evening, have a good day if you're from another time zone. And thank you to being with me. Have a bye bye, guys. See ya.